Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 4, our concluding module for Nursing 440. So the readings for Module 4 include Chapters 8, 11, and 14 in your Wagner textbook. And Chapter 8 does examine healthcare financing. And the chapter starts by reviewing the five primary funding models currently utilized in developed countries. Some of these models may have been familiar to you. The United States healthcare system does utilize a combination of all five funding models, and Chapter 8 then examines health insurance by looking at important terms, principles of insurances, and types thereof. When we look at Chapter 11 reviews the pharmaceutical industry in the United States and begins by discussing the origins and the growth of the pharmaceutical industry. The chapter then discusses the role of the Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA, in approving and regulating all pharmaceuticals and medical devices that are produced and distributed in the United States. The chapter closes by discussing key issues involving pharmaceuticals, such as cost, the opioid crisis, and the future of pharmaceuticals. A good amount of information across Chapter 11. When we look at Chapter 14, we look at the future of healthcare in the United States. So an interesting chapter. The chapter begins by looking at three fundamental questions that will need to be asked when looking at the future of healthcare in the United States. So those questions are, how will patients and providers in the system interface with technology? Next, how will society pay for the ever increasing cost of our healthcare system? It's a good question. And very importantly, how will we provide equitable access to and distribution of healthcare services? The chapter then deep dives into several key issues or aspects of the future of healthcare in the United States, including new technology, robotics, cybersecurity, social media, and organizational structures and care models, and new and evolving disease threats. Module 4 includes helpful links and resources to information discussed within the readings as well as your final assignment. So please do take some time to review the video relative to your final assignment, and do reach out if you have questions or concerns. Again, I look forward to seeing you online, and do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you so much.